Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the issue you are experiencing with different applications on Steam like Counter-Strike and other popular games that you were unable to continue to pack file corruption. Let's fix it guys. So I don't have CS installed, but the process is exactly same guys. Open up Steam, click on library, right click on the CS application or whatever game you have problem with and select properties. Select the installed files. On right side select verify integrity of game files. Wait for it guys, this process will take some time to finish it. After this verification completed, you just go ahead and relaunch the game guys. Hopefully your problem solved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.